Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Xolodi iRver3 MP3 player. This Bluetooth 5.3 HiFi MP3 player is designed to deliver a smooth, high-quality listening experience in a compact and user-friendly format. Equipped with an upgraded audio chip, it supports multiple popular audio formats including MP3, WMA, APE, FLAC, WAV, and OGG, ensuring clean, rich, and immersive stereo sound. Enhanced noise reduction technology keeps playback crisp and clear, making it ideal for commuting, studying, exercising, or relaxing at home. Wireless connectivity is powered by Bluetooth 5.3, providing fast pairing and a stable connection with headphones or speakers. This makes the MP3 player a convenient companion for runners, travelers, students, and music lovers who want reliable performance on the go. Beyond music playback, the device offers versatile functions such as FM radio, a voice recorder, stopwatch, and photo viewer, turning it into a practical digital companion for everyday use. The 2.4-inch HD full-color touchscreen displays album art, playlists, menus, and lyrics clearly at a 240x320 resolution. Users can navigate easily through swipe and tap controls or use physical buttons for quicker operation. With a built-in 410 mAh battery providing up to 10 hours of continuous playback and USB-C charging for convenience, this MP3 player is always ready for daily routines, workouts, or travel adventures. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.